So we're back up here, still up here in Oklahoma, showing everybody what we got going on. We went through the machine shop earlier to show you that, you know, how we make the product, you know, boxing it up, bringing it to you, serial numbers. What we're standing in front of here is one of our training stations. You know, we've got 5 of them here in the room. Each of them are set up alike, same welder, everything. We do axle tube in the bench top, and we show the technicians how to cut them and how to face them and to do all the things that we do in order to do it. And then we also do it down here so we can be more like what you're going to find in the field. It's not too often that you're going to get lucky and the customer's going to pull the axle out for you and let you work on it in the bench. You know, it's going to be on a trailer down low. So one of the things I liked about United Axle when I talked to them about buying a franchise was that they had a training to go along with it, that you weren't just buying a name and a product and then you were thrown to the wolves to figure out how to put it together. You know, they went through, it's about a week long process. We had classroom time that we'll take you to classroom to show you that. And then we were out here in the shop working with Todd, the founder of United Axle, who came up with the process and patented it. And really good training in my opinion. You know, we learned a lot. There's always more to learn after you get done, but it really left me with a sense of confidence when I went out to do my first job that I had enough training under my belt to do a good job for the customer the first time. And then as we've gone along, the more we've done, the better we got at it. You know, practice makes perfect. And that's really what we've come along with. Over here, similar to what we've got going on there, they've already started this one. They put our machine on, they've beveled this, and then they've done the face on this axle tube here. You can see these plug holes in here. These are where we'll weld through to our bushing that's here. Bushing is going to get a center in this axle here. And then with a flat face on here and our bevel, once we plug weld it in and we torque this together, it's perfectly straight. It's straight to the part, parallel, and perpendicular to it. And then it also makes it serviceable, because once you put this in, and you put these plug welds in, if you ever have an issue again, you cut around here, you screw this right out like a bolt, and that bushing will stay in there. And that's part of our patented process, is making it where if you ever have an issue in the future, it is a quick process to get you back on the road. We know that things happen, you know, so that's part of our process. And we really feel like it beefs up the axle too. You know, you're really getting more integrity from what you had from the factory.